Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased price action analysis. Well, today we had a pretty just an overall chop day today. We have an inside candle setup here, which usually means to us that it's a chop day, it's consolidating. Not too surprising to see. I mean, we just hit all-time highs, so the market most likely need to digest the move and figure out what it wants to do next. By the way, if you are a biased trader, Uncle has a message at the very end of the video for you to check out. Yeah, definitely check it out if you are a biased trader. If you are not a biased trader and you're a sheep, you're an unbiased trader, uh, don't watch the end of the video. It has nothing to do with you guys. Anyways, so like I always say with these inside candle setups, they do represent consolidation, and the range that I would watch is the mother candles range. That's 489 up to 496. Anything between 489 to 496 should be considered just chop. All right, we are consolidating, trying to build strength for the next move. Okay, now once again, excuse me. Once again, we have that 490.5 level that I'm watching. That's the fib level. It around that area, it kind of served as support today. You guys can see it on the 15-minute chart. This blue line right here, I'll turn it to yellow. But yeah, it's around that area, it served as support, and then it just bounced. So I can't really say we are seeing any bearish signs just yet. Usually when the market goes up like this and it does want to turn bearish, volume would increase, which is not the case right now. And we're not getting any bearish setups as far as false breakouts and stuff goes. So overall, still bullish, but like I said, watch the mother candles range, 489 to 496. Break of that range should give us an idea of where the market wants to go next. Okay, now if we do break down 490.5 and 489, which would be short-term bearish, I would like, honestly, I'd like to see it come back, test this white trend line. It might take a few days to get here, but it would be healthy for the chart and the price action. You know what I mean? I mean, we got like this divergence on the RSI, so I'd like to see that correct a little bit, but like I said, it's got to break down 490.5 and 489. If those levels fail, that's the bear case scenario, and it would be a good sign that we are going to correct this divergence here. But if we don't correct the divergence and the market just wants to go back up and send the RSI back to overbought territory, it's going to have to break out resistance, which is at, what do I have? 494.5 and 496. Those levels clear, we're going to a new all-time high. And keep in mind, I have a fib level at 498.9 and then the big 500 number. Okay, that is the bull case scenario for us. Triple Q still overall looking bullish as well. You can see this pink trend line when we broke out last week. Today it back tested it as a support, so not necessarily bearish, guys. Overall, still bullish above 426.8 and 425. As long as above, we could get some more upside. Follow through would be to break out 429 and 430.5. If those levels clear, guys, we are likely heading up to a new all-time high with the next fib extension level at 433.5. Maybe even higher. If we're going to get bearish, we got to break down 426.8 to cancel the breakout of the fib level, which is possible, and a breakdown of 425 to break back below this pink trend line. If that does, once again, 423.8, 421.7, and 419.7 would be all back in play. That would be a bear case scenario combined with some type of double top here. Okay, but we need the price action to give us the sign. All right. NVDA, yeah, we are just at new all-time highs. We go to a 1 hour chart. Sometimes when we're at new all-time high, we can give the 1 hour chart some charting, because, you know, give us something to work with, some pivot levels, some buy zones. I prefer the daily chart, but, you know, we take what we can get. So as of right now, I have support at 695, 693, 690, 687, And if 687 fail, we could drop down to 685.5, 681, and 679. Right? We use these levels, you know, to help with our entry. So we break down any of these levels, look to short, play it level to level, guys. We could get bigger moves in level to level, but hey, it's always good to manage risk properly, okay? Yeah, otherwise, as long as above 695, guys, we're going to new all-time highs. It's possible 700 could be a target, I guess. But yeah, we're in uncharted territory. I don't know what else I could say. This chart's bullish. This stock is crazy. But yeah, we break down any of those support levels, and maybe we can get some type of pullback. But I'd still play it level to level. The main critical support level would be that 666 number. If we break that down, we could get a deeper, crazy looking pullback. But otherwise, this stock has gone parabolic. It's very difficult to trade. But hey, if you're on Uncle Charters' Discord, yeah, you might have a decent time trading it. All right, you might. Tesla's still looking bearish. Excuse me, still looking bearish. Finally got the close below 184.5, which is bearish. But look where it bounced at the next fib level, which was around the low today was 175, and I did have a support level there. But the critical level I was watching 176.8. That is the fib level. So now that we test it, I'd only trust the bounce if we can recapture 184.5 and 192.3. Okay, watch that 184.5 level. If we recapture, false breakdown setup, and let's see if we can bounce some more. Otherwise, as long as below 184.5, I'm overall bearish. We could consolidate some to build strength to drop more. 176.8 and 175 loss of those levels would be a bearish sign that we are heading down lower. All right. Here's IWM. Got that fib level, 78.6 fib level at 190.81. Today's low was around 190. Not bad. But yeah, I would say it tested that fib level. So far, getting some buying pressure there. So for me to trust the buying pressure more, gotta recapture some resistant levels. Excuse me. So yeah, I got resistant at 193.3 and 195. Those levels clear. We could head up higher. But as of right now, if we break down 190.8, you remember this high right here back in late January? That could be a lower high, and we're going down lower. Possibly to either give us a double bottom scenario or lower low. I bet bears would love a lower low. And if that's the case, 184.5 would definitely be a target. 184.5. Check out that white trend line from all-time high, connect to August 2023 high. We broke out back in December. Maybe we're possibly trying to back test this. I don't know. But that 184.5 level would be very, very critical. Okay. Apple. Yeah, chop day as well. Gapped up. Got to watch out for evening star pattern setup. If we break down 185.7, look to short. Overall, as long as above it, maybe get a higher high. Got to clear 189 and recapture the 50 daily at 190.5 and the fib at 191.2. Bulls got their work cut out for them. If they can clear those levels, then I'll favor more upside. But if 185.7 fails, we're likely heading down back to the 200. It's around 182.5 right now. But I have a feeling the 200 might not hold if we test it again. Okay, guys. Here is AMD. Oh, okay. So, yeah, we had that resistance around 180.5. Today's high was around 180. Didn't quite test it, but you're looking at this, the way that it's looking, this could be a lower high. And if that's the case, it has to break down 172.5 and 171 tomorrow. If those two levels break down, today's high could be a lower high, and we could head down a lot lower, okay? Now, if we bounce, 174, 175, 177, 179, and 180.5 are all resistant levels, and they must clear. Especially 180.5. That level cleared. This is not a lower high, and we could head to new all-time highs, okay, guys? Here is Meta. Looks like it wants to backtest that 454 level at support. So tomorrow will be critical. If that 454 level holds, we are likely heading back up to new all-time high. But if 454 fails, guys, I would look to short profit taking time, baby. Okay, Amazon inside candle here, 172.5 down to 167 is the range. Below 167, I would be bearish. Targeted 164.7, 162.7, maybe down to 161.4. Now, if we clear resistance, I have resistance at 171.4 and 172.5. Those levels clear. Don't argue with the price action. We are bullish and we are heading up higher. Netflix, still consolidating, guys. 555 to 571.6 is the range. Still consolidating in that range. Above 571.69, I'll be bullish. Below 555, I'll be bearish. Anything is just chop. Be careful trading. Be careful trading this stock. Google almost tested that 1.236 fib level. Came just shy of it. Got some selling pressure, though. For the selling pressure to continue, got to break down 144 and 142.3 tomorrow. If it does, bearish. But if it clears 146 and 147.3, that's bullish, guys. We're likely heading up to over 150, maybe 150.8-ish, okay, to fill the gap. Here's Microsoft inside candle setup as well. Got to get above 412 to be bullish, and it's got to break down fall 3.5 to be bearish. All right, below fall 3.5, you put fall 2.2, 400, and 395.4 all in play. Above, I got resistance at 4.8, 4.10, and 4.12. Those levels clear. We're bullish, guys. We're heading up to new all-time highs. And here is SOX, closed right on my 1.236 fib level. But then now it's gapping up. Now it's gapping up aftermarket. Okay, so 604.5 is a fib level as well. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, it got my fault. It didn't close 597. It closed at 604.5, which is a fib level. It is trying to gap up. So next resistance is at 607.6 and 610.6. If those levels clear, guys, we're likely heading up higher. Maybe up to 616.66. What's with all these sixes? All right, to be bearish, support at 602, 600, and 597 must fail. Those levels fail, guys. That is bearish. Okay, here is the dark pool. A lot of dark pool orders. 6.1 billion coming in at the 494.3 level. Ooh, add that level to your charts. 6.1 billion. That's a lot of premium, guys. I think we're gonna get a move tomorrow. With that much liquidity entering the market, some big money plays. We'll see. That's 6.1 billion. That's a lot. That is a lot. 100K premiums or above. Okay. So bearish. Interesting. I wonder, did they sell at the top? So dark. Oh, I mean, they're both buy and sells, but yeah, I'll just watch that level. Yeah, QQQ agrees it's bearish. IWM agrees it's bearish. Uh-oh. Dow Jones is bearish. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Bullish NVDA. Tesla's bearish. Bullish Apple. Bullish AMD. A bullish Meta. Bullish Amazon. Bullish Netflix. A bullish Google. Google with the L. Bullish as well. Just gotta make sure, you know. Microsoft is bullish and SOX is nothing. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are a biased trader, keep watching. If you're an unbiased trader, click away. Click away.